So I'm Adam, and my partners are Juan and Victor. We are your local statisticians. We wanted to perform a two proportions Z-test for the difference between two proportions of men and women.
So for our question, when you're approaching a stop sign, do you stop fully or you do a rolling stop?
So the background for our experiment goes as such. Men and women are controversial when they're driving. Men claim that women are not good drivers. They claim that they drive too cautiously, they drive slow, and they're just not good drivers at all. But women claim that men drive too recklessly, and they're just too fast when they drive. So therefore, we conducted an experiment to see who people thought were safer drivers.
Alright, so for our sample size, what we wanted was 40, but our actual sample size was 110. And for the questions that we gave to our sample was if they were male or female, and then when approaching a stop sign, do they stop fully or do they do a rolling stop? To minimize the response bias, we want to keep it anonymous.
So, since our desired sample size was only 40 and we ended up achieving 110, we did not accomplish this through an SRS since we did a Google form, but since our sample size was large enough to meet CLT, we can assume robustness.
The article we chose was called Men versus Women, Who Are Safer Drivers? The article talked about how men are 3.4 times more likely than women to get in a ticket for reckless driving and 3.1 times as likely to be cited for drunk driving, according to a study by Quality Planning. Therefore, we want to see if men or women are safer drivers. The title picture we chose was a stop sign because it was the focal point to our question.
After tallying 110 results, we found the p-hat for men to be 0.775 and the p-hat for women to be 0.745. 38 out of the 51 females replied rolling stop, and 41 out of the 59 males reported rolling stop. Therefore, we found both genders to be approximately equal in the number of rolling stops.
This is our hypothesis test, and for the state, for the HO is P1 equals P2, and the HA is P1 does not equal to P2, where P1 equals the true proportion of males who do not stop fully at stop signs, and P2 equals the true proportion of females who do not stop fully at stop signs. For our plan, we used a convenience sample, and randomness was not met. The LCC was met, and it was approximately normal, so we were able to proceed.
For the do, we calculated our z value to be 0.5834, therefore leading us to a p-value of 0.5596. In conclusion, given 0.5596 is greater than 0.05, we failed to reject the hoe, so there is not convincing evidence of a difference in the true proportion of males and females who do not stop fully at stop signs.
So for the errors and difficulties in our project, we encountered the difficulty of people giving honest responses due to the nature of the question. We accounted for this by deciding to give the respondent completely anonymous. Always got to be a good driver when no one's around. All right, we good. We in the clear now. No cop, no stop.